Friends, welcome back to Money, Business and Finance, and this is Savan Kumar. Tell me one thing. I'll start this session with a question. Who is responsible for the sale? You or the customer? Who is responsible for the sale? You or the customer? Depends on what happens at the end of the sales. If the sales gets closed, the salesman is responsible. But if the sales does not get closed, if the sales falls off, if the sales did not happen, customer becomes responsible, right? It depends on what exactly has happened. At the end, determines who is responsible for what. For closing a sales, it's always the salesman. But for the sales not getting closed, it's the customers. Does this happen with you? Do you give this reason to yourself? Have you been giving this reason for years to yourself? For every successful sales, you were the reason. You were proud of yourself. But for every failed sales attempt, for every failed presentation, the customer was responsible. The customer was not good. He was not ready to pay the price. The customer was weird. He did not have the money. He did not have time. And so many things that we give to ourselves, that we say to ourselves that the customer was the reason. When I will say, if you had a successful sales, it might be that you might have been the reason, you might not have been the reason. It could have been that the customer was already sold about the product. He just came to you to buy it. So you are not the reason of making that sales. He was already sold about buying an Apple computer. He came to the store, he bought it, and it just so happened that you were in front of him and he bought it with you. So you were not the person responsible to make that sales happen. So whenever the sales is successful, whenever there is a sale, you might be the reason, you might not be the reason. But whenever there is a failed attempt to make sales, whenever the sales falls through, the salesman is the only person responsible for not having the sales closed. It is never ever the customers. If you don't believe me, you will believe me in some time. Salesman is the only reason for not getting a sales closed. The customer had come to get closed. The customer was willing to buy something. It was you who was not able to create that kind of a value or something that the customer expected you to do. You were not able to stand to expectations, and you give an excuse to yourself that it was because of the price or because of the time or something that the customer was responsible for and not you. You are the person responsible for sale, and you need to start asking this question to yourself. The sooner you start asking the questions to yourself about what actually made the sales fall, what actually happened that the sales did not happen, the sooner you start asking these questions to yourself, the faster you get through the sales. What kind of questions am I talking about? If you want to know, if you believe that you were responsible for the sales, you need to believe that. Nobody else needs to. Your senior, your bosses, nobody else needs to believe or understand that you were responsible for the failure of sales. It is you who has to believe it. And once you believe it, you now need to ask a few questions to yourself. What did I not do? What I could have done and I did not do? What did I miss? What did I do wrong? Where did things go wrong? If you can, start recording your sales meetings and see where the things started going wrong. What statement of yours or what thing that you said or how you presented something that crashed the sales. What did you do wrong? What did you not cover up? What did you not cover up? Did you take care of the customer's objection? Did you take care of his time problems? Did you take care of his money problem? Did you take care of his spouse problem? Did you take care of the problems that he had, that his mind had for having the sales to happen? Did you do that? Why are you not closing the sales right now? Why is he going out of the door? Why is he going to your customer? Figure that out. Once you have the answers to these questions, you will better understand that it was you who was responsible for the sale. Even if you do not think that you were responsible, let me tell you that you are only responsible for not getting the sales closed. And you need to figure out the answers from the questions that I asked you, that you ask yourself. And once you get those answers, you become a better salesperson every single day with every single sales that you try to make. The more you start asking questions, the more you start getting better with your next sales. And the more you get better, the better salesman you become. Have a good day. Bye bye.